Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good, right? Yes. In the previous class what we have learned about physical features. In physical features we have learned other three. What are those? Deserts, plains and plateaus. So we have finished totally 5. What are those? Hills, mountains, deserts, plains and plateaus. In deserts what we have? We have two types. What are those? Hot desert and cold desert. Yes. So in today's class we learn about water bodies. What are the water bodies? From where we get the water? We get water from rainfall, right? Yes, that will store in the water bodies. Yes, and the land is covered with the water, children. So those are called water bodies. Down the under the ground we have the water, that is called water bodies. What are the some types of water bodies? Like oceans, seas, lakes, ponds. We have so many like this. We will learn in today's class features of some of the water bodies. Okay children, everyone open your reader. We will learn in the reader. We will see the pictures and we will learn about some of the water bodies. What are their features?
Children, did everyone open your reader? Page number 120. We'll do the features of different water bodies. Water bodies are areas covered with water. They can be as big as ocean and as small as ponds. Rivers and streams are also called water bodies. So what are the water bodies? Oceans, ponds, rivers, streams are called water bodies. You see here. See children, this is the sea, lake, and this is the pond. A pond is a small freshwater body and it is surrounded by land on all sides. Lakes are bigger than ponds. Lakes can have either fresh water or salt water. Seas and oceans are very big water bodies and have salt water in them. Rivers have fresh water. Streams are narrower than rivers. Yes, children, see, this is the river and this is the narrower. Then river means, see, the river is like this and the stream is the narrow way. So the stream will be narrow. So these are the water bodies. What are the water bodies? Sea, lake, pond, rivers and streams. These are the water bodies. Now see, the Caspian Sea is actually a lake. It is called a sea because of its size. Because of size, see, actually it is a lake, it seems, but it is called a sea because it is a big size. That's why it is called a sea. Now everyone open your workbook, children. Did everyone open your workbook? Page number 17. Okay. Write today's date, children. That is, today's date is 28-12-2020. Okay. We are doing water bodies. S3 water bodies. Label the different water bodies. We have to label the different types of water bodies, children. Okay. Now you can see in the picture and label it. Okay. One is, we'll write lake, and one is river, and one is sea. We have written 3 water bodies: lake, river and sea. Now they have given some riddles. We have to solve it. Okay, second bit. Solve the riddle to find the name of the water body. I am smaller than a lake. I am a fresh water body. What is the fresh water body we have read in the reader? It is a pound. So write it down. Pound. I am the biggest water body and my water tastes salty. What is the biggest water body? Ocean. Ocean is the biggest one. So ocean. How is a lake different from a river? How is a lake different from river? We have read already in the reader, children. Lake is having a salty water and river is a fresh water. So this is the different, and the lake is some little covered with land all the sides. But river is the water only keeps flowing. So we'll see the answer, children. Children, first point, lake can also have salty water. Its water is mostly still and covered with land on all sides. All sides the lake is covered with land. Second point, river is a fresh water body and keeps flowing. River is a fresh water and lake is a salty water. Okay children. Now today we will do S4 also. Okay, in this just we have to write the seas, oceans and everything names. Okay. S4 physical features on the map. Write today's date only, children, that is 28-12-2020. Okay. Use a physical map of the world to answer the questions. You have to answer the questions, children, using a physical map. Okay. If you have a physical map, search it in the Google and see it. Okay. Name any two lakes shown in the physical world map. Already they have given as Caspian Sea in the yellow box, children, in the reader. You can see here. Yes. So that is one, and another one is the Chilka Lake. Okay. Chilka Lake and Caspian Sea. 2. Second bit, give one example for each. A mountain range in North America. You can open, if you have a physical map, open it and see. You will have it, this one. Okay. Appalachian Mountain. Appalachian Mountain. And a desert in Africa, Sahara Desert. A sea near India, Arabian Sea. A ocean near South America, Pacific Ocean. I'll show you the map in the next class, children. Okay, but you write the answers. Third bit, name any two physical features and write how they are shown on the map. Physical features, what are the physical features are shown on the map? You have to write it down. Sea and mountains. Seas are shown in blue color and mountains are shown in dark brown color. Okay, children, in the you have, see, children, in the reader, open your reader, everyone. See, the seas are shown in the blue color and the mountains, turn the page. This is covered with snow, children, actually, but it will be dark in brown color. It is covered with snow, that is why it is white color, but actually it is covered with actually it is shown in dark brown color. So your answer is, two physical features are sea and mountains. Seas are shown in blue color and mountains are shown in dark brown color. Okay, children, these are the answers. As for physical features on the map, these are the answers. Write it down. Okay. Now here you have to draw any physical feature of the earth in the below box. Here they have drawn the mountains, children, but you can draw anything. You can draw mountains, hills, valley, cold desert, hot desert, and you have the seas also here. Okay. You have the seas also. And this is the plains and plateaus. You can draw any one physical feature in the fourth one. Draw any physical feature of the earth in the box below. What are the physical features, children? Hills, mountains, deserts, plains, plateau, and the water bodies. What are the water bodies? Seas, lake, ponds, and rivers, oceans are these all are the physical features. You can draw any one, children. Okay. Now everyone open your classwork. See, children, fourth question. Name two fresh water bodies and two salt water bodies. Already we have seen in the reader, children, but we'll see the answer now. Answer, the two fresh water bodies are ponds and rivers. What are the two fresh water bodies? Ponds and rivers. And what is the salt water? The two salt water bodies are sea and ocean. Sea and ocean are the salt water bodies, and the ponds and rivers are the fresh water bodies. Okay, children, this is the answer. Now you have the class activity. Write it down, class activity. Draw a mountain and plateaus and write few lines about it. You have to draw a mountain and plateaus and you have to write few lines about it. You have in the reader only. Turn the page number 118. You have the mountain here and you have the matter also. Draw the mountains and write few lines about it. And the plateau also you have here and write about the plateau. You have to draw the plateau and write it down. This is your class activity, children. Okay, till this we have completed block 19. Okay, thank you.